Well, before I ask my question, I have to thank the chairman and the man, that's Brother Deedat, who is actually organizing this, or trying to.
Just one, I think if they remove that, you'll have a better contact with the mic.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right. Right.
Well, I'm a Christian. I'm a Ghanaian. I have been actually looking or fighting to know the truth, because I believe that we've all been destined to a life, and after that we have to pay for whatever we do on this earth. And when I came here about a year now, I have been actually struggling, and incidentally I had an address, and I wrote to Saudi, and incidentally all the pamphlets he mentioned, I've got all, and I read them all. But I got one or two questions to ask, and that is first, it's on who moved the stone. And in fact, I really enjoyed everything there, but the only thing which baffles me is, was it really that Christ died and his body was being removed from where he was placed? Because I couldn't just get that portion properly. So I'm very glad that the man who wrote it is he himself is here. He will enlighten me about that.
The brother from Ghana is referring to this little stone. This one here. It says here, who moved the stone? You see, the Christian world is intrigued. For 2,000 years, they are worried. Who moved the stone? It's not the Kaaba stone. They say that Jesus Christ, after his alleged crucifixion, what they say that he was killed, and then he was given a burial bath, and he was put a shroud around him, and they put him into a sepulchre. A sepulchre is a cave-like thing, big roomy chamber, which according to a Christian authority, Jim Bishop, he said it was 5 feet wide, by 7 feet high, by 15 feet deep, with a ledge or ledges inside. And after the body was put inside, a big stone was put into place. Now, Sunday morning, first day of the week, according to the Christian scriptures, Mary Magdalene goes to the tomb. For what? She goes to anoint him, says the Bible. What is anoint? Anoint comes from the Hebrew word masaha, Arabic masaha, which means to rub, to massage, to anoint. That's what she went to do. So we are asking our Christian friends, do Jews massage dead bodies after 3 days? Do they? They said no. Do Christians massage dead bodies after 3 days? They said no. We Muslims, we are the closest to the Jew in our laws and regulations. Do Muslims massage dead bodies after 3 days? The answer is no. Then why would this Jewess want to go and massage a dead rotting body after 3 days? You know, within 3 hours, rigor mortis sets in, the hardening of the cells, the breaking of the cells. 3 days' time, the body starts fermenting from inside, rotting from inside. Such a rotting body, if you massage, it falls to pieces. Does it make sense that she's going to go and massage a dead rotting body? But she's worried. She is worried. He said, now how am I going to get to him? Because there's a stone there that was placed. When she goes there, she finds the stone is removed. She looks inside and she finds the winding sheets inside. She starts to cry, disappointed. Who moved the stone? You know, it hasn't occurred to the Christians in 2,000 years. I am asking, who put the stone in place? So it tells us, Joseph of Arimathea, one man, his secret disciple, put the stone in place. If one man can put a stone in place, then why can't 2 persons remove it? I'm asking. Common sense. But they think an angel came from heaven and an earthquake took place. I said, what's all these fairy tales? Look, if one man can put a thing in place, I said, who opened the door? So I'm asking, who closed the door? It's a well-shown. It's a big door. If one man can close it, why can't 2 persons open it? As simple and easy as that has kept the Christians busy for 2,000 years. They're still wondering who moved the stone. I give the answer in this little pebble, this little pebble.